Hey guys, Adam with Workman Firearms here. In today's video, we're going to be doing the disassembly and reassembly of the Sig Sauer P320X Compact. So let's get this bad Larry back to the bench and get her taken apart. Alright, so now that we're back at the bench here, we're going to begin the disassembly process of our Sig P320X Compact. To begin the process, we're going to remove the source of ammunition and clear our firearm. So lock that slide to the rear, physically and visually inspect the chamber, physically and visually inspect the mag well, and just do a double check. We see that our firearm is clear. So instead of releasing that slide, we're going to take our takedown lever and push it in the clockwise position down to the 6 o'clock position. And it'll lock right into place there. From there, we can release that slide release and slide that slide all the way off of the firearm. Now our frame is as broken down as we need it to be. We can pop our FCU out there if we need to, which we show in another video. From there, we want to focus on breaking our slide the rest of the way down. So we're going to compress that recoil spring. We could set that in our parts bin so we don't lose it. And then push on the bottom of that barrel, push up on the bottom of that barrel, and then you can pull it right out. Then our barrel comes out. Now our slide is as broken down as we need it to be. So from there we can clean and lube our firearm, and then we will begin the reassembly process. So in the reassembly process, we want to take our barrel here, we want to take that slide, set it on the red dot there, and then we can take the barrel and slide it in towards the front of the slide, and then bring it back, and it's going to lock into place there. From there, we're going to take our recoil spring with the fat part of the recoil spring facing the front of the firearm. You're going to push it into the slide and then let it catch on the barrel there. Now our slide is back together. We want to take that slide and slide it onto the frame, making sure that all the rails are lined up that the slide's going to ride on here. So start at the front of the frame and slide back. Continue sliding back until you can take that slide lock and push it up and lock that slide back. Just take that takedown lever and then flip it back up counterclockwise, and it's going to flip back up into position and lock into place. Just like that. Now that we see it's all locked into place, we can release that slide release, send the slide forward. We can make sure that slide racks, we can check our trigger, make sure everything's functioning, do our little functions check. Now we know that we have the firearm reassembled properly. So that is the disassembly and reassembly of Sig's P320X Compact. Thanks for watching, guys.